This is a product that I got off of Etsy and a company called BenchtopWoodworks by a fellow named Chris Harpster. And Chris does 3D printing, and he made this little dust collection system, which in my opinion is much, much better than the system that originally comes with the DeWalt. And the what you're seeing here is my complete system for dust collection. Initially, you saw the dust tube that Chris Harpster made, and now we're looking at my dust collection system for the saw, the DeWalt saw, and this just shows that I've got a couple of different ways of collecting dust. This dust collection system is outside, which is where I prefer it, the dust to be collecting rather than inside in a bag. That little blue tent you just saw there in the window is shown here in the back, and you can see that's got a couple of scoops in it that are collecting the fine particulates, whereas Chris's system is the retrofit, which you're seeing here, and that scoop there really collects quite a bit of sawdust.